Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so let us start here. So I've started all the clusters, everything today. Okay, so now, guys, we'll start with the. We were looking into this case study yesterday. That is reading data from the yes, guys, single line JSON. Okay, reading data from the single line JSON. So now, let's continue with this. Okay, so whenever you wanted to create a single line JSON, so you have it the file here. Okay, so since single line JSON is here. So guys, this is the single line JSON. So let's try to have a comma here. And now let's try to save it here. All of you. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes.
So I'm just selecting the save as. So now guys, I'm using the save as, and the save as I'm using what's it, single line JSON, and select all type, all files here. So automatically it will save it here. So it says single line JSON, single line JSON 2 I'm just making of. So let's try to close it now. So here we have it. Okay. So I'm just making of desktop, single line JSON, all files. So click on the save here. So now guys, okay. Okay, so let's go ahead here. So I'm just using okay. Let's continue, guys. So let's use it. dbutils dbutils dot fs dot mkdirs make directories. Okay, and now guys, we'll just go here. We'll upload it to the dbfs now. So how to enable, can you see here? Do you have a dbfs browser here? No, only can you see here? Database is here, but you don't have a dbfs. So how to enable the dbfs browser? Go to this admin console. And from the admin console, select the workspace settings. And now from here, select it here as we have it, the dbfs browser, file browser. Just click on this, enable this. And now once it is enabled, click on the refresh once. Now guys, select it here. Go to the data. Now can you see you have a dbfs? So just open this dbfs now. File stores. Click on the file store and click on the table. And now guys, now upload it. So I wanted to upload it here, drag and drop. Can you see it? Single line JSON. I'm using this file. So done now. That's it. So now go to this recents and go to this notepad, whatever you have created, the notepad. So that's it, guys. And now you have to copy the path. So for how to copy the path, everyone, go to the DBFS, go to the file browser, and now tables. And now, guys, copy here, copy physical path, copy the physical path. Now just come back here and now paste it here, everyone. DBFS file store tables single line JSON 99.json. So I'm using this one, guys, everyone. So just run this now. Allow. So what is it? What's the problem? Tell me now. Guys. So I think you have to remove this this DBFS, this file. DB utils mk dot fs dot. Yes, what's the problem? Actually, this is not actually. Yes, so we have to upload this. We have uploaded now. See the data, single line JSON, everything is fine. DBFS, file stores, tables, and then you have this. You've copied the path as it is. Yes, you've copied the path as it is. Any path you can copy anyways, no issues. The first or the second path, whatever you have it. So let's remove this .json and now try to run this. Till here we'll create it. Now guys, true. That means it's done now. Okay. Then let us start reading this. So reading. Okay. Read data from what's that? Read data from what's that? Guys, single line. Single line. Single line what's it? JSON document. Okay. Then use what's it? src underscore path. Under this path, I want to save some path here. So what is the path I want to save it here? The same. Okay. Now, guys, here, what is it you have to use it? Guys, what is it you have to use? Tell me now. From here, use .json. .json. That's it. So use this one. Fine now, everyone. Now use what's it? Same. Under this only, I can write it here. df is equal to spark dot read dot format. What is the format I want? Tell me now. Format, use it as what? JSON. Normal. Don't use uppercase. Dot load underscore what's it? src. Yes, guys. Path. The calling the same path I'm calling it. That's it. Now use what's it? df dot show. Fine, everyone. That's it. Now run this. See here. Yes. df dot show. Why it's not showing, guys?
Bracket.
Now you got the data. Okay. This is how you have our data. So can you see here? We have the data like this. And now if you want, you can use a truncate is equal to false. If you feel that some of the data it's being truncated. So you can use truncate is equal to false. Nothing is being truncated. So anyways, it's displaying. Okay, guys. So now the next one is now let's count it. Count data from data frame. df dot count. See here, you have 2 rows. So hence I'm getting the 2 rows here. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, that's it now. So let's so now let's do one thing now. I'll prepare some more files here. These are some files. I'll do one thing now. Guys, I'll prepare some more files. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute, everyone. I have some airlines file. I'm opening this airlines file. Okay, guys. So now I'll copy some more rows here. Some more rows I'll copy it here from here. Okay. And I will just try to put it here. Another text file. Single 2. Okay. Open this and now paste it here. Now put it in the proper format of JSON. So how to put it here? The proper format of JSON. Can you tell me, guys? Please, all of you. Just check it here. The previous document, you have it. So the same way you have to use it here. Okay. Just for your reference, I'm copying it here. Yes, guys. So in the as it is format, you have to just put it in this one data. So here you have to use what? A brace. And then use what's it? ID colon. And now as the ID, you have to put it in the what? This one. Yeah. And next one, use a comma. Guys, then afterwards, use what's it? Under this quotes, use name and close the quotes. And this is the colon, you have it. And then use what's it? Guys, tell me now. The data, you have to put this data into what's it? Tell me now. This one. And now you have what is that? This is the name of the flight. And then what's the code of the flight? You have it. Can you see? Use a comma and code, everyone. So just mention the code here in the quotes. That's it. Now, guys, after this, you have what is it? Country. Everyone, you have the country. So just use the comma and now use the country. And country should be placed under this one. That's it. Okay. So this is the thing, we have it. And now finally close the brace here and use a comma. That's it. Okay. Then again, same thing you have to make it. Guys, I'm just copying it here. Here 6 and the flight, whatever the name of the flight is, 224th flight unit. Just copy this. This is the name of the flight. And now this is the code number. Code number is what? TTF. And now the country is what? Russia. That's it. Fine, everyone. And now next after this, again we have what's it? Tell me now. I'm making it one more column here. ID. Copy this and just paste it here. ID I'm making as what? 7. And now the name of the flight is what is it? You have it? Tell me now. 247 Jet Limited. So just copy this name, paste the name here as it is. Guys, then we have a code number. So what's the code number? You have it? Guys, tell me what's the code number? TWF. Everyone is following or not? Please tell me, ma.
Yes,
And,
sir.
okay, then you have what's it? United Kingdom. That's it. Okay. So finally you have the data like this. So just erase it everything. Now here you have another one. Let it be as it is. Okay, guys. Now click on the save. Click on the save as. Once you click on the save as, can you see here? Select the all documents, all files, and on the desktop, like just use .json. You have to use the extension. This is mandatory. So guys, just click on this, and now see here, one more is created. So now guys, access this file also. So for that, go to this again, data, and now guys, go to the DBFS, everyone. And now from the DBFS, now guys, click on upload, drag and drop. So what is it you have to do? Tell me, where is it? Desktop. On my desktop, I have another file with a name called single. Okay, guys, click on the done. That's it. So now guys, we have two multiple files here. So I'm trying to read the data from two files. Reading data from multiple single line, yes guys, JSON, or I can say JSON files. That's it guys, everyone. So I'm using what's it? Tell me now. So now use what is that? Tell me now. df is equal to same spark dot, guys, read dot format, same code. Okay, then use what is it here? JSON comma load is what? src underscore path. That's it. And now use what's it? df dot show. Let's use it
The
here
dot
again.
load.
It's comma load, no? Sorry, dot load. Okay, that's it, guys. Now run this once. So now what has happened? Tell me now. What's happened? Only two rows are copied here. Now let us use it to count df dot count 2 is saying. Why it's 2 is saying? Hmm? Or else what I can do is I can give directly the path here, guys.
No, this path you have to define it again or what? I mean, have you updated that file here? I mean, uploaded the file here?
Uploaded already, no? Just go to the data, check it here. DBFS. 2 files are uploaded. Okay. So let's do one thing. Copy the path till here. Copy this. And now what I will do is I'll update the path here because the path is not updated yet. I think so. Here, src. I'm just giving it the path of a single file now. So I'll remove this one now this time. Okay. That's it now. So try to run this once. Got it now? Now got it? See here. You got the data now? So it says something corrupt record, something like that. Okay. Or else what I can do is directly, guys, the other way is one more way. I think you have it. I'll write it here like this. Just a minute. I can give the path in this way also. Instead of this, I can give it here. Under the codes, path is here now. DBFS. Instead of this DBFS, I don't require the DBFS every time. So file stores, tables. Then after the tables, what is it? You have it? Tell me now. I have a file name called what? Single line JSON 99.json. Single line JSON. Single line JSON 99 and single 2. So you mention the same here. Single line JSON 99. Okay. Single line JSON 99. Let's try to run this. I think it will read only one file now. Yes. Single line JSON slash. Use it. See it here. Single line JSON. Just check the name.
There is a
Amma?
no, there is a slash at the end and .json is not mentioned.
No. What is that I wanted to do here is
.json.
just a minute. Pasting up.
That
Single
slash.
line JSON. So what I'm doing is I'm removing this. Let's try to just run this, not a particular file.
The slash you should not give right at the end.
.load.
Slash at the end means that it is looking for single line JSON 99 folder. And now, even now, it will look for the folder only.
Okay.
.json should be given, or maybe wildcard, maybe star. Not sure.
Okay, let's use the .json here. Okay, if you use the .json,
DBFS colon should be there.
file store. Let's see it now. Now I just set dot JSON. But it's reading the 2 lines only. Okay, so
What is your expectation, sir? What do you wish to do?
so I'm trying to get all these files.
So you should use star, right? From the tables folder.
Yes, from the tables folder. You may
Star.json.
okay. Star.json. So, okay, I think we have created one directory now. Where is the directory gone? mkdirs directory. So the directory is there, guys. The directory name itself, I'm giving it like that. Oh, tables. This is basically a single line file.
No, the folder is not there, sir.
Folder,
I think it
yes.
did not get created.
Yes, that's the reason. So, okay. Tables. I'm just making it as
DBFS is there, I think.
DBFS file stores tables. Under that, I want some folder called
You can say this
test.
one.
Test. Okay, I'm giving a test here. Let's see it true now. I'm now go and upload it into this. So now go this and DBFS tables. DBFS is here.
I think the path.
Tables, got it. Tables, under the tables. Yeah, tell me. You're telling something?
No, the path you have mentioned is not correct.
File stores, tables. Tables.
MKDIR, I think you have to remove the DBFS. That colon has to be there.
Yes, so no, either code, any code you can use it. That doesn't matter, I think so, because DBFS colon. Okay, anyways, we'll try with this. True. When it says true means it's created, but where it is creating, there's a DBFS tables. Now it is test created. Now, under this, let us try to upload it now. Okay, now it will come because under the one same folder I'm creating it now. So I'll read this one file. Single to done. Open this. And add one more file here. One more file from where I want to take it. Data files. I want to take this file. So done it. Now 2 files have taken it. Okay. So now open this. You got it. Now 2 files are here. Okay. So now let us copy the path here. Copied. That should close now. Now I think it should come. So once you give this one now, let's try to src path. I will give the path of this. Okay, now?
Yes.
Now I think it should work. So now let us see what is going to happen now. You got the data, but the data is, I think, not in the exact form. Why? Because some of
Sir,
the
country you have not given within double quotes.
is it
Country Russia.
flight code here?
Not
Okay.
here, the new file which you created today.
Okay. Okay, no problem. We'll update that file if such is the case. Anyways, this is not visible.
You can put that within quotes, sir. United Kingdom.
I think this is not editable now. So just check here.
Is it?
You this one now.
Oh,
Can you put it here? It's accepting. No problem. Let's try to put it here. Okay.
all the countries, I guess. If I'm not.
Country. Yes.
Russia.
That should.
I
Country.
think you have to give the backslash the escape character.
Yeah, ma?
You have to give one backslash followed, which you have to give the. I mean, like in the other.
Where you mean to
Like
say?
here in the country key value, you have backslash and double quotes, right? I think you have to follow the same.
Okay. I mean to say the same one. No?
The escape character.
Yes.
No, backslash and then.
That's it. At the end also,
No,
I think.
everywhere, wherever you use double quotes.
Okay.
Here for Russia also, here.
Country, Russia.
Backslash and then.
Backslash and then here before the quote backslash. Yes.
In the second line also here. You have this. Yes.
That's it. No?
All set. Yeah. Now this should.
Save it.
Yeah.
Save it. Save file. See what is happening. But I think will this changes saves? Let's reopen this and check. No, actually, the editings are not allowed, I think so, in this JSON basically. But here in the notepad, as already, I'll do one thing.
Right click and open in Notepad.
Open with notepad, no? It's notepad plus it says.
Plus this also.
Okay, no problems. Yeah, that was a now I think so.
No, here you don't have to give that, sir. When you save it as JSON, it takes it like that automatically.
Okay, that's it now. Let's take it here. Fine now everything?
Yeah.
Now that's it. Now everything is fine. So let's save it here.
2 new lines are there. Should that be them? Are there? 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Line number 5 and 6. Empty lines are there.
Empty lines. So you want me to enter something?
No, just remove them. No? Delete backslash.
That's it. Okay.
All right. Okay.
Let's save it. So I think saving. So will this affect it? Let's see.
Looks like it has gone.
See. If it is affected, then it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm?
Okay.
Now I think we will re-upload this file. Okay. That's better. We'll re-upload this. So for that, go to the data, dbfs, single line JSON. Delete this one. I'm deleting this one. Now let us re-upload it. So re-upload the file. What is the file you have it? So just stop. Yes, everyone. Where is my file? See, where is the file? JSON single, no? Done now. Oh, it's gone there. Anyways, I'll remove all them.
You created that folder only, right?
Yes, I'll re-upload everything. Okay, now this is fine now. So under this, what we will do now, we will upload it. So tables slash test, so that will directly upload it into the folder. So from here, I will take it. Okay, single line 2 and open this, upload it now, and I will try to upload one more file here. So that one more file, where is my one more file? Let's go to this data files, and I think here you have this file. Okay, uploaded, both of them uploaded now. Now it's fine now. Got it now? Now it's proper. So let's do one thing now. Let's try to run this code once again and see what's going to happen now. Got it now? Yes, guys, everyone? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we got it in the proper order. So now, guys, so let us rearrange them. Rearrange them. So I'm writing it here. Rearrange columns. Rearrange columns of a data frame. Rearrange columns of a data frame. So if at all you want, you can rearrange it. Okay, df1 is equal to df dot select, guys. Select, what is it I want? First of all, I want ID number. Then I want, what does it tell me now? Name. Okay, name. Then I want, what is it? Code. Then I want what is it? Countries. Country, and this should be under the quotes. You have it. That's it. Okay, guys. So let's try to
Show.
df1 dot show. Yes, very good. That's it now. And truncate is equal to false. That's it. Okay. Now run this. See, guys. ID, name, code, and country according to the rearrangement it has given. Am I right, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes. So now, guys, so just expand this. It's giving you even the data type. That is something, but the schemas of the same. ID is long, and then your name as a string, code number as a string, country as a string. Can you see here? All this, the data type it's giving you. Okay. So, okay. So this is how it works. Okay. Now, guys, let us try to convert it into some. Just a minute, everyone. Sorry. I'm using one more column here below. Guys, converting converting column data type. What's that? Column data type, typecasting. Okay. So from what is it? You have to use what? From PySpark. From PySpark dot SQL, guys. SQL dot, tell me now. This time you have to use what? Functions. Functions. Okay. You have to use what? Functions. FUNC. Functions. Okay. Functions. Import call. Okay. Call. So now guys use df, guys. Df1 dot, right? Okay. So df1 dot, tell me now. Df1 dot with
Select.
with what is that? Column. You can use like this. New column name. Airline ID, comma. Okay, sorry. There is a function called call function of what is that previous column name you had it? Tell me now, guys.
ID.
So use what's it? ID. So everyone is following or not? Please, guys. I want a reply from all of you. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here you have it, ID, and then use what? A dot cast column dot cast integer type, sorry, integer integer type, guys. Integer type. So use it here, up closing and opening. That's it now. Fine. That's it.
I think you have to import it.
Yes, ma. Importer. Already imported, no?
Yeah. Integer type has to be imported, I guess.
So let's see. Not. I think yes. So df2 dot show.
df2 has to be defined.
Yes. Truncate df2 dot show. No? Truncate is equal to false. There is one more function we have to import it from what's it? PySpark. PySpark dot SQL dot types. Yes. Dot types. The next one use what? Import integer type. Integer. Am I right? Yes.
Line number 5 you have to define as df2. df2 equal to
df. Okay, line number 5 na. Yes, df2 is equal to df1. Okay, now it's fine.
yes.
So let's run this now. See what happens. Now see, go and check. Now go and check the data type. Can you see here? What is the data type now? Tell me. Airline ID data type is what? It is converted to integer or not? So previously, what was the data type?
Long.
It was a string. Sorry, long. Previously, it was long. It has renamed and the data type is changed from the existing one to what? But now there is a glitch. What is the glitch? The glitch is that even ID number is displayed here. Am I right or not? That means it's creating a new column. Am I right? So I want to remove this column. So I have to remove this. So how to do? So if you want to remove it,
Drop column.
so use what? Go here. If you want to remove the column, you can also say here, okay, as write it here. So df2, guys, df2 dot drop. Am I right? df2 drop, use what's it, id. Yes, fine now. Same now.
Yes.
Okay, that's it now. So let's run this. See, it's dropped. After dropping, again assign to df2 na. df2, just a minute. You have to use df2 is equal to df2. That means after dropping, again assign towards a df2 only. That's the only thing. Okay, now you will get it proper way. See here, now it's dropped or not. See, df2 is equal to df2 dot drop. That means after dropping, again I'm assigning it to the df2 only. Am I right?
Yes.
So this is the way we have it. Okay, so I'm removing this. You can see we don't have the column here. That's it, guys. Now id column got dropped here. We don't have the id column now. Okay, and the data type is also changed. Okay, guys, everyone. Let's confirm, delete it. Confirm, delete it. Let's confirm, delete it. So that's it. Okay. So we have done the rearrangement. So now you can also create here your own defined schemas, as you know already. Okay. So what is the way you have it? Reading data from what is that? Single line. What's that? Single line JSON, single line JSON file using what's that? Tell me now. User defined schema. This time I'll use it as what? User defined schemas. User defined schemas. Okay. So now tell me, use what? You have to import it from PySpark. This time you have to use what? PySpark. Use what's it? PySpark. Use what? SQL. PySpark dot SQL dot. Tell me, Nama. What's it? Types. Yes. Type import. What is it you want to import? Import. Yeah, I'm audible to everyone. Tell me now. Struct type T capital. See, these cases are very important. So try to follow this. Struct type, I want it. STRUCT, struct type. Okay. And use what is struct type now? Use all of them. Just copy this ones and paste. Keep on pasting. Okay. Then use what's it?
Field.
So yes, that's it. I'm just changing it. Struct field. Struct field. Okay. Struct field. And then you have what? Integer type. Integer type.
And string type is enough.
So again, we have what's it? String type. String type. String type. Kama?
These two are enough because we are going to use only integer and string.
Date type also I'll use it. Okay.
We don't have date column here. Right?
We don't have that. Okay. Okay. Double tab, I'll use it. Double type. And then long type. And then I'll use decimal type. Okay. And timestamp is not required, no? Okay, mention it. What happens? Timestamp type. I think if you use a timestamp, even date type has to be used. Okay. Okay, use it date type. What happens? Okay, anyways. So I'm as a process, I'm writing it, but as per your requirement, you can change it. It's not a problem. So if you want, you can just execute and check whether you have any issues here itself or not. Okay. So now it's fine, guys. Okay. There is no issues here. Okay. So now use it. Next one, next line, that is meant to say in the same way, you can go here. Use calls. Any name you can give it is equal to, okay, calls is equal to, tell me now what's it? Can you tell me? Struct type. Struct type is an array of what?
Struct field.
Yes, array of struct field. So here, so use the, can see here, list means you have to use like this one, and again, list of struct fields. So now write it down. Struct fields, copy this. See here, struct field, just paste it here. Fine. So struct field means use this one, that is, and use a comma. Yeah, comma. Next after the comma, tell me now. Yes, copy this.
Four struct fields are required.
Yes, ma. So using it, okay, ma. See here, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 struct field is required. Okay, so that's it now. In every struct field, you have to assign the value. I want to define the as what? I want to give the column names as
airline ID.
Airline underscore ID. Okay. One more column.
Comma string type.
Yes, ma.
You have to define the string type and the nullability
also. Yes. I'll come in a sequence. Okay. So let's use airline underscore name. Now airline underscore code. I'm giving my own names, guys. Okay. Airline underscore country. Okay, fine. Now that's it. Okay, airline underscore country, I'm using it now. Come back next after this. Now you can define what type of data type you have it. So use it here, comma. Yes, tell me more.
Integer type.
Integer type. Okay. Integer type, comma. Anything else?
False. Nullability is false.
Yes. So integer type. Okay. This also, okay, let it be. So let it integer type. This is the integer type now. And here you want to what? Tell me now, what is it here you want it? Yes, ma? String type now.
Yes.
String type. So here also string type. So copy the string type and paste it in rest of the fields also. Code number is also string type now. Am I right? Airline name is also what's a string type.
Yes.
Okay. So let's try to fill it up all this. Okay.
A nullability.
So now, is it required to open the brackets like this here or not?
Yes, it is required.
So now next after this, Next. Now, next you have to define the nullable. So basically, my reason for going step by step is that, okay, because we should not miss even a single point. That's the reason. So okay, so that's the thing. And now comma. Now use it nullable true or false. True. True indicates it allows the null values. Am I right?
Yes.
So true. Okay. True. True. Comma. That's it. Okay. So now is everything fine now? That's it. Now, guys, fine now. Anything else? So I'll just get it here so that for now the schema is ready. This is called as user defined schema. Now let us read the data from def is equal to spark dot read dot. Tell me now.
Spark spelling, sir.
Yes. Okay. Spark dot read dot format. Then you also JSON. Can you see? Dot load. Now tell me. What should you have to use? Load means? Yeah, so use src underscore. Sorry. src underscore path. Or else you can use like this src underscore path. Dot we have to before loading only we have to write some option, no? So option finish here. /n. Am I right?
That should do. /n is not required.
Yes, ma.
/n is not required. That slash.
So now, okay. /n dot schema. So what you said, ma? /n is not required. Schema. Yes, ma. You want to say something, na?
Slash is enough. And that too, if you bring down the closing bracket, you do not require a backslash. After JSON double quotes, when you end the double quote, you can just bring down that closing bracket, and you can start continuing with dot.
Okay, so actually you mean to say not required really?
That itself is not required.
Okay.
That you have to bring down that closing bracket.
You mean is this one?
And now you can start continuing with dot. You don't need to.
So actually, load is the last number.
Yes, load should be at the end.
Load should be at the end. So what I am doing here is
you are going to define the schema for this data frame.
That's it now. So now call and anyways, let's do one thing now. Let's try to just execute this and then we'll see if it's going in error. I'll make the changes. No problem. Okay.
Now you need backslash.
No problem. Let's make it okay. And now let's run this.
Is that n required?
That's the thing. Okay. Line which name 6 now? So that's the thing problem. Okay. Okay. Okay, no problem.
Line number 8, after load also that backslash.
No, not required. Yes, ma'am. And then afterwards use what's that? df dot show. That's it now. Fine now.
Yeah.
So df dot show. And if you want, you can use truncate is equal to false. That's it. Okay. Now run it. See here. Null, 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 null. What's the problem? Tell me, ma. What is the problem? It is not reading the data. That's sorry.
Sorry. What
I
happened?
think it's not reading the data. Yes.
Now just remove that line number 7 and let's see whether it reads properly. So the way we have defined has some issue.
Yes, just a minute. Spark dot read dot format slash. Okay.
I think it's the column names where you define that.
Huh?
Airline ID, airline name.
Calls. Airline name, huh?
No, actually what happens is
column are different.
Your column order is different. If you see the output below, the first column is code and then country, ID, and then name. So that's why it is giving us.
Might be. Okay. So you want me to change it, huh?
No, actually just remove this first definition of the struct field and bring it to the third position. It should work. Oh, name is also.
Yeah, we'll go accordingly now. ID number is fine. Country. So where is the country? Countries is at the last, no?
No, code should be first. Please copy code and put it as the first column definition.
It's a first column only, no?
No, you just copy everything here. I mean, cut it and put it back there, right? Now the third column is there, right? Third column definition is airline code. Copy that.
Okay. Oh, you mean to say, okay. Airline ID now. Okay, no problem.
So just copy everything and put it there.
Yeah, you want me to cut it off now?
Cut it off up to the comma also.
Okay, no problem. We'll just put it here. Okay.
Even before that, that should be the starting definition. No, not there, sir.
Okay, now it's fine. Just use it. Okay. Airlines code type. Okay, then use a comma. You meant to say according to this you want me to go. Okay. So airline code is there. Then again, next one, what is it? You have it. Tell me. Country, na. So where is the country? Okay, country you want to put me as a second, na. So I'll do one thing. Country. I'll copy this. Okay. Struct type true, na. Okay. I'll copy this country. Okay. Copy this country. Airline code. And then I want to put it here. That's it. Okay. Fine now. Airline code. Comma struct type. Okay, struct field is airline country. And then again you have what's it? ID is as it is, no?
You remove that struct field. Please give struct field then. Sorry. Yeah, struct field has to be there.
Okay. Struct type you mean to say?
No. For airline ID.
For airline ID, okay.
No, airline ID I'm saying. Third one.
Okay.
Struct field is removed, see. No, not that, sir. That is correct. All that is correct. Please come to the start of that airline ID and yeah, you can copy and paste it. Copy struct field and paste it there. Not here, just at the start, before that bracket. Before that bracket. Sir, we have to define it as struct field within the bracket airline ID.
Okay. You mean to say you mean just type here
Struct
okay.
field is not there. Yes, caps.
Struct field.
Struct,
okay.
Yes, caps. Yes, caps.
Okay, no problem. That I'll do it. Okay. Struct field.
Yeah.
That's it. Airline ID. This is fine now.
Yeah, all right. Now at the end you have two commas. Just remove them.
Now this is fine. Okay. Just changing the positions. So now I think it should work. Okay. Let's try out.
Backslash at line number 7.
No, it's fine now.
No.
Let me check this once. Struct field airlines code type. Okay, true. Comma struct field airlines country string type. Okay. Struct field airlines integer. Okay, and that's it. Shall we run this now? Let's see now. Did you get it? No, error it's speaking.
No, backslash you removed, right? Continuation, line continuation should be there, or the entire command should be in the same line.
Okay.
Line number 7 also should have backslash.
Okay. So let's run this now. Same.
I think Json column names are airline ID, airline country name, but you struct field you mention airline country.
No, struct field is what we define. That is why we
but it's looking for the file column names.
Just a minute. Let me do the thing. We'll do one thing. We'll just remove this path. And what I will do is instead of src path, I will just go here, dbfs. I'll copy the direct path here and paste it. That's better now. I have the folder path now. Copy this path. It's better. Okay. Fine now. I can make it that one. Load. So directly I can give it like this. Okay. Let's try to run this now. Might be it's not reading that one.
I think struct field inside we should instead of airline country we should use country. Instead of airline ID we should use ID. Instead of airline name we should use name only.
No, Rajesh. It is just to, I mean,
no.
it's a user defined data.
But whenever you open the file, it's looking for the ID column.
Yes.
But there is no ID column in. There is it's looking for airline ID, but there is no airline ID inside that file. That's why I think it's showing null. Instead of airline ID, can you please remove the airline underscore?
Not so.
Just a minute. Let me just understand this. Okay, 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. I'll understand and let you know on this. Okay, let me just check this. I think airline.
There is airline.
Yeah, I think you're right, man. You're right. I think yeah.
No, can you please introduce one option to consider the header?
I think instead of can you please comment the line number 7 and run it once. Comment out the line number 7.
That is working already. It's working.
Just I want to know.
We have to introduce header. True.
No,
I'll
just
run this.
I think.
No, I'll have to.
Indentation error. I think you.
No, you just remove it. Line number 7. That's what
If you remove the line number 7, then we
7
find,
only, 7 only,
yeah.
not 8.
Otherwise, that hash should be, I mean,
Single.
it cannot understand the hash within the brackets. That's why it's.
You mean to say this one?
Remove line number 7 totally.
Okay.
Just run it once, sir.
No, indentation error thing.
That new line number 7, just remove that empty line.
Remove the complete line number 7.
This one, huh?
No, just
Only
line number 7, sir.
empty line only.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Run this.
See here, column name is code only.
Yes.
But we are mentioning struct field airlines underscore
yes. That
code.
much.
It will read it that way, and we are just renaming it by giving your new schema definition. That is all. It will map it. That is what it will do when you give that dot schema. It will just map each column in the same order.
I thought it's looking
fine. That's fine. Yeah.
Sir, can you please introduce one small, the header option?
Okay.
To be considered as true.
Header.
Sorry, no, not that's for CSV. Yeah, please go ahead with whatever you.
No. Actually, I think it's not this. Who is it? I think you are correct. Yeah, I think you are correct. That's the reason. It's not accepting. I think so. Airline I'm giving now. That was the reason. So now let us do one thing. Country. Might be that is the reason. So actually, this thing, what you said. Yes, for this current situation, I'll go like this only. Fine now?
And mention the schema.
Now I'll use the schema here. Okay, so what is the schema? We have it. Dot. No, I think it will work. Schema calls. That's it. Okay.
Backslash.
Run this. Now got it.
Yes, this is because this is Json. So it has to be defined with the same name, correct?
Yes. See, string, integer, string. Okay, got it now? Yes. Anyways. So now the data is also coming in a proper order. We have it. Okay. So that's it. So let me check. We have a way for this. What I wrote now, airlines underscore code. We have it. So we have some way. I'm just forgetting that way.
If you wish to change the name of the column, you have to say with column renamed. So now you can, after this, you can add df equal to df dot with column renamed code. Then you have to give airline underscore.
Yes. Okay, I can write it here. df1 dot df1 dot or df1 is equal to df1 dot with call
with column
with the column. Yes,
renamed.
Renamed with column renamed
with the column renamed.
Correct.
Okay.
So now you can give the original name and then the name you wish to.
ID. Okay, let's use the ID here. Fine.
Then
ID
comma.
dot. Okay.
No.
Comma.
Sorry, comma. Within the bracket.
Okay.
With column renamed function, we'll take two parameters.
Okay. So let's make it here as airline.
Within quotes.
Airline ID. So now I think it will take it. Okay, now?
Yeah.
See here.
Show. You have to show.
Df dot.
df1.
Sorry. Dot show. That's it. Okay. Now airline is there. Airline ID code. Okay, guys. So now, so if at all you want, you can also change the what is that? Okay. Anyways, you know it now. We have already seen how to change it. Okay. No issues. Okay. Next after this. Okay. So now, guys, let us do one thing now. This is the thing we have it. So now let us try to see one more document. So this is a single line JSON wherein you have only single line. So now what we will see, we will try to create a multi-line JSON here. Okay. So for that, how to create a multi-line, I will just write it here. Okay. So the multi-line is, let us say, okay, some employees, guys, employees, multi. Okay. Open this. Now let's try to create it, the multi-line JSON. So multi-line JSON is, can you see here? We have just put it in the array, or else we will write the array later. First write the braces here. So under this, write it down here. First one, EMPNO. EMPNO. Okay. So sorry. EMPNO colon. I want 7001. So this is a numeric, hence you have to place it in the normal listing. Okay. Then again you have, what is that? Name, everyone, colon, and then you have to use it. What's that? The name, as it's a character, use it in the James. Use it here in the this one. And next one, what is it? You have it name, and then you have a job, guys, job, and the job, let us make it as manager, comma, and then you have again the salary. Okay, then you have the next one as a 50,000 as a salary. So as it's a numeric, leave it as it is. And then we have, what's it? Make it as department number, DPTNO colon. So colon, let us make it as a 10. And now finally close the braces here. And now comma, after the brace, use a comma, and then use, what's it? Again, opening brace, curly brace, and I'm writing the second document here. Second document, same document I'm just making of. I'll just copy this document and change the values. That's better now. So just changing the values here. So instead of this 7002, all of you, 7002. Carl. Okay, guys. And then we have job as a TL. And salary as a something, okay, 70,000, something like that, whatever you want. 20 is a department number. Okay, guys. 20 is a department number. That's it. And now finally I want to put that. Finally, I want to put the entire data into a single list. So what's that list? You have to use like this. Close this brace and close the list. Okay, guys. Can you see here? Or else if you want, I can add one more document here. So guys, this is the, copy this. 3. So now guys, here you have what's it? SSC, okay. Something here, yeah, 60. 30. Now guys, here can you see, we have what is that? 3 documents. How many documents you have it? Guys, how many documents you have it? Tell me now. We have how many documents are there? We have 3 documents. So let us try to read the data here, okay? Guys, just a minute. Let us try to read the data. Yes, am I audible, guys, everyone? Yes. Am I audible? So now,
Yes,
guys,
yes.
let's try to save it here. Okay, so now, guys, click on the saving. So click on the save as option. So save as, and I'm just making it as a employees multi. From here, use it as a JSON. So on the desktop, I wanted .json, .json. Everyone, check it here. So .json. That's it now, and click on the save. That's it. And now click on this. Can you see here you have employees? Open this. So this is in the list format. Now can you see here? Guys. So this is the multi-line JSON. You have it. Okay. So how to do it? Come back here directly. And now guys, go to this one. What is that? You have it. Data. Go to what is that? DBFS. Everyone, go to the DBFS. Now under this, let us try to upload the file here. Upload it now. So upload it. Upload this file, guys, everyone. So just desktop. Desktop, where is my file? Yeah. Upload it. That's it now. Click on done. Okay, guys, finished now. Okay. So now let us do one thing. Or else what I can do here is, okay, no problem. No. Okay, I'll remove this. Sorry. Okay. So we have it. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back normally and now start working on this. Start working on this. Okay, guys. So just go to this data, DBFS. Everyone, copy this. Physical path, copy this. Now I'm writing the heading here, guys. Okay. Reading data from single multi-line JSON file. Guys, src, I'm using what's it? src underscore path is equal to, so use it here. Fine now, everyone. That's it. Now write down df is equal to spark dot read dot format. Format, what's the format we have it? Same, JSON. Yes, guys, everyone. Dot dot load. Tell me now, what's it? You have it. Dot load src underscore path. Am I right, everyone? So now, guys, what's it? You have it. Copy. Come here. def dot show. I think this will give you the analysis exception error. I think so. Okay, let's see. It's working or there is a problem in loading the data itself, guys. Analysis exception means okay. The reason is it is a multi-line JSON. Here, here you need to define an option. Okay. Here you need to define an option. Option as multi line, guys. Here you have to use an option called multi-line, comma true. That's it. Okay. Dot load. Okay. Only multi-line means L capital. Okay. Fine, everyone. So now use it. See here. So now, guys, it's got it. Getting my point, everyone? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is how we use the multi-line JSON file. Okay. So use the multi-line option, multi-line comma true. That's it. To read the data from the multiple JSON file. Okay. Next, can you see here? I'll try to do one thing now. Df is equal to df dot select. You can just what is it you can do here? Tell me now. I'm using what's it? Tell me now. I want instead of this. Yes, more not a proper position. So I'm just using what's it? Employee number. Okay. Comma. Use what's it? Tell me now. Name I want it. Next, I want it. What is that? Job.
I think it is case sensitive.
No, I don't think so. It's no, I don't think so. So job, if not working, we'll change it. What's the problem? But I don't think so. This is Sal. And that's it. And finally, at the end, I want what is it? Department number. Department number. Let's see here. And now use df dot. Okay. Instead of show here, I'll show there. Okay. Run this now. Fine now.
Okay.
That's it. Can you see here? Just have a look. In the previous, when I have used it in the capitals, it has displayed in capitals. Sorry. Now I have changed the cases. It has changed the cases itself.
So can you please put the df dot show before that?
Definitely.
Also,
Yeah.
In two places, no, in both the places we'll see, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, got it now?
Yeah.
See, according to the things what you are giving, it changes. That's it, okay?
So can you please share this piece of code?
Pardon me?
This code, can you please share us?
Sure, definitely. Okay, so what is it? So, okay. I'll do one thing. Now I'll go to the file. Just a minute. I love you. Okay, guys. So I'm just going back to the file here. So I think no. I'll try to change it. Some values I'll change it. Okay. So open with something, I'm using it here. Open with the notepad. Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll change some values here. Okay. So instead of name, or I'll change the values here. Instead of 5, Nancy. 6, Bobby. Robert. Instead of 7, Smith. Something like, okay. Let's save it here. Okay. Save it here. Okay, guys. So that's it. I'm saving it right now. Okay. And now see the changes have been affected here or not. Let us see it here. It is affected anyways. Okay. So now guys, I will try to, okay. Now I will try to, after changing the values, guys. Now after changing the values, now let us try to pull in again. Pull in again. Now see. See what happens if you pull in again. These values are affected or not? No, I think so. Am I right? Why? Because we need to re-upload it, no? So it's giving you the data as per the file you have written in a DBFS. Am I right? Huh?
Yes.
So that's it. So okay. Do one thing now.
I think you have to delete that file.
Okay. Okay. So now, now let it be. You can create a separate directory and we can make it off now. Okay. So okay. Anyways, I think almost it's 11. Na? Okay, guys, I'm stopping the class here. Okay. We will see the rest of the part. It's left out somewhat. Okay. So almost all of this we have completed. How many? Reading data from single line JSON, reading data from multiple line JSON, reading data from single JSON file using the user defined schema, reading data from single multi-line JSON. Okay, reading data from multiple multi-line JSON. Okay, and reading data from single multi-line JSON. So this topics, if you want, I can tell you tomorrow, or else you can move ahead with the new topic. That's not a, these three I think left out.
Yeah, please go ahead these topics also.
Okay, so
we will discuss. Yes. But actually, JSON is a very important file, right?
yeah. So okay, this three we have to discuss it. That we'll see tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah,
So I'm
sure.
stopping the class now. Thank you.
Yeah. On Friday, a session was happened or not? Cross checking.
I think no.
Oh, okay. Okay,
This
but
Friday
actually,
there was, yeah, last Friday I didn't remember it. Might be, I think no session was there.
okay.
Saturday anyways there was no session.
Yes.
Friday it was there, I think so. It was there, na?
Okay, but actually they did not upload recording session.
Yes, Friday it is there.
Friday
Friday it was there. Only
that's why
Saturday. No. Just a minute. Let me talk to them.
Okay. Yeah, Friday session not uploaded, so that's I'm confusing.
We had a class on last Friday, na guys? Everyone, please tell me. Somebody is aware?
Yeah, Umama is.
No,
I
sir,
did-
I think.
No, I did not attend, but I saw a message. You
Yes,
saying
sir, we
that
don't have class
will
on
continue-
Friday.
Will
Okay.
continue next class.
Yes.
Okay,
Just a
because
minute.
they did not upload recording session, so that's I'm confused. Yeah.
Do we have a class? Just a minute. I'm checking this
Yes.
WhatsApp group.
In WhatsApp group only you had mentioned that we will continue next tomorrow. or
Okay.
something.
Okay. So if we have, definitely, if you have a class, definitely they'll upload it. That's not an issue, basically. If anyways, I think there was no class, but let me check and get back to you on this, Naga. I'll check. I'll just
sure.
check it once. Thank you.
Okay, sure.
Saturday I did. Saturday there was no class. I'm damn sure about that. But a Friday.
No, sir. Friday also there was no class.
Friday
Sir.
no class.
Okay. Okay. No problem then. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Okay.